to go about taking Dhamma to house. House to house means every village should cover. So the village branch should be established first. For that, Taluka branch should work hard work. Then district team should monitor as well as guide. So our job is also the same one. Then we must get one Buddhist Development Corporation or the Nigam for our state level Buddhist people. So for that, how we have to go about? So we have to show our strength. We have to show our Buddhist population by figures, not simply saying vague figures. No, they will not work. So we have to give them. So Mandya district, so many are the families are Buddhist families. So many are the PSI members. Hassan, so many are interested to accept Dhamma Diksha or the big event at state level. So likewise, all the districts should work. I mean, not mentioning that one. No, every district, every taluk, so to reach every village, so that we can take Baba Saheb's vision and vision as it is. It is our vision also. So next point, to get our paper media, it's ours. Paper media, we should have one our own paper media. Because we say, sir, in Nagpur there is lakhs of people. They get together. I mean, they, whatever they gather when Diksha Bhumi program is there. That is during Vijayadashmi. But we say they are not. Interested. They are not interested, of course, to publicize. But what about we people? We are all got. Baba Saheb has given everything. So education, but except social, status, that we have to gain it through Dhamma. Baba Saheb has shown the way. So now we have to have our paper medium. Sir, we have already done some underground work. Sosli Gangadharji is our writer as well as very, very talented. So we are shortly, inaugurating the papers, our BSI paper throughout Karnataka.
Fortnightly.
It will be monthly, or we shall start monthly, sir. Yes, sir. So, Prabuddha Bharat. Okay, sir. Then we have to reach all these, whatever the thing we have to say through paper media. So we have to reach the people house to house like that. Our aim is there. Baba Saheb given us everything. Let us do. Then one more thing, sir. We must have our own TV channel, sir. So many of our, including our K. Mantra, sir, Balkeji, they have tried. Somehow, not only somehow, it is because of some. Whatever you do, let us do in the formula of Buddha. Whatever the thing happened, good thing happened, the reason is there. If the negative is there means again the reason is there. That's how to overcome all those hurdles and to get our TV channel like that, sir. So this membership drive, branches establishment at the village level, taluk level, district level, but to work hard, to work really. So these are our mottos. Then, so to have this, sir has already given us one task. So we must have state level Buddhist conference, ಬೌದ್ಧ ಮಹಾಸಮ್ಮೇಳನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 1,00,000 ಜನರು, 1 lakh people, all Ambedkarites, Buddhists, we must gather in Bangalore, the capital of Karnataka. There we must show our real strength to get our corporation, that is a Buddhist Development Corporation, through government of Karnataka. So, sir, first session, it will be Dhamma session, morning, all our Bhikkhu Sanghas. Sir, in Karnataka, we have 55 plus Bhikkhus.
46. 46.
Yes, sir. At least, yeah, of course, I have 56. Okay, sir. Then, in addition to our Bhikkhu Sangha, we do have our people, intellectuals, the Ambedkarites, yes, sir, Dhammacharis. So we will all do our efforts together, working together. So here in the afternoon session, we are interested to invite Chief Minister of Karnataka with along with some interested our Buddhist ministers, MLAs and leaders of our community. Bhimrao sir will be there. He is our focus, he is a center point. So through Bhimrao sir, we will submit one more memorandum to get our yes corporation sanction. So we have some more points to say. Afterwards, I will express. But now, to focus in the points, sir. So I request Dr. Imran sir to speak. Afterwards, you can give suggestions later on.